Last October, I think I bought around 20 different pots of grass, different types, all sorts of types, because I just want as many different types as possible. As I said, this is a country garden. I can mix and match everything together as much as I want to. Okay, I have the name of the plant here in front of me, this beautiful zebra grass. So that's this grass here. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, you won't believe it. This time I got myself a real bargain. The price of this plant originally was 159 Swedish krona. And I got it for, just going to come a little bit closer for this one because, oh my God, what a bargain I got. I got this plant for 10 krona a pot. Reduced from 159 kronas, people, to 10 kronas a pot full of grass that's going to be absolutely beautiful next summer. No problem. Yeah, so I got these two pots for 20 kronas instead of over 300. Now, the next grass I have to show you here is this absolutely beautiful variegated grass here. It's got this very silvery shimmer to it. It's absolutely beautiful. Dark green and light green, and it gets a lot of little white flowers on it. Look at this. Can you see those? I hope you can see those. Maybe, maybe not. But you can see me, right? Anyway, lots of little beautiful white flowers, and they've actually got a tint of purple on them as well, which is really nice. So I'm just going to put one of these down now because they're quite heavy. What a beautiful little pot, huh? This grass is called Ophiopogon japonicus, and it is commonly known as silver mist. What a beautiful little bundle that is. Can't wait to put these out in the garden. I mean, and they're still fresh at this time of year, which tells me it has a longer season. So these two beautiful plants were reduced from 189 kronas a pot to 40 kronas a pot. You heard me right. 40 kronas a pot. I saved myself so much on the original price. So for two pots, 80 kronas, and one pot costs 189. What a bargain. So you know, you need to get out there and look for grasses and things like that in September, late September, October. That's when they're all going on sale because people stop buying them, but not me. Beautiful. Now look at this beautiful grass. It's a beautiful light green color, and look how it cascades down like this. Really long streaks of grass that cascade down. I mean, oh, these will look beautiful in something that is some kind of higher pot holders or something like that, so that you can really get this beautiful effect. They're absolutely gorgeous. That color, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? So the name of this beautiful grass is Carricks oshimensis. It's beautiful. Now, these were also reduced from 189 Swedish kronas to 40 kronas. 40 kronas a pot. So again, 80 kronas for these two beautiful plants. I couldn't be happier. This is fantastic. Going out raiding the rack in October, I just love it. Look at these together. The different types, the different varieties that you can get out there. It's absolutely wonderful. And they flush back every year because they're perennials. So they're worth you going out and buying because they'll come back again and again, and they get bigger and you can split them, and it goes on and on. So that was what I have to show you on this Raid in the Rack video for the garden here at Crystal Cottage. And I got a significant reduction in the original price of these plants because I went and bought them now off season. So get out there and buy yourself some plants. Get out there and find yourself some bargains because there are bargains to be had everywhere. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when my next video upload will be. And I'll see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.